ये है हॉस्पिटल रोड के मनाजिर। यहाँ पर आप ये देख लें कि यहाँ पे फोर्स खड़ी हुई है और ये यहाँ पे ऑपरेशन हो रहा है और ये ऑपरेशन है दुकानों को गिराने का ऑपरेशन। और ये देखें यहाँ पे लोग यहाँ पे खड़े हैं और हेवी मशीनरी जो है वो यहाँ पे बुलाई गई है और इस हेवी मशीनरी के ज़रिए से यहाँ पे 3 दुकानें कि जिनका पहले केस अदालत के अंदर चल रहा था और वहाँ पे अदालत से फ़ैसला हुआ और ये देखें कि ये इन दुकानों को गिराया जा रहा है। और ये इस तरह के ये हॉस्पिटल रोड के मनाजिर हैं और यकीनन बड़े डिस्टर्बिंग और बड़े परेशान कुन मनाजिर हैं। ये इस वक्त रात के 9 बज रहे हैं और ये ऑपरेशन यहाँ पे जारी है। ये यहाँ पे आप देखें कि वो एक एक्सकेवेटर खड़ा हुआ है, ये बड़ी ट्राली खड़ी हुई है और ये यहाँ पे ये देखें ये ट्रैक्टर के ज़रिए से इस ट्रैक्टर के आगे ब्लेड लगा हुआ है और इसके ज़रिए से दुकानों को गिराया जा रहा है। और यकीनन ये बड़े डिस्टर्बिंग मनाज़िर हैं। मगर ये देखें अथॉरिटीज़ हैं, उनका अपना स्टाइल है और उन्होंने अपनी पावर को एक्सरसाइज करना है। आप देखें कि यहाँ पे ये सारा ये मंज़र बहुत ही तकलीफ़ दे, बहुत ही अज़ियतनाक मंज़र है। और शायद ये जो यहाँ पे जिन अफराद की दुकानें थीं वो अफराद यहाँ पर आए और उन्होंने अपना जो सामान है वो यहाँ पे उन्होंने कलेक्ट किया। और यहाँ पे अभी ये बड़ा क्रूअल, बड़ा पेनफुल, बड़े दर्दनाक मनाजिर हैं। यकीनन जिन अफराद की ये दुकानें थीं उनके दिल पे छुरियाँ चल रही हैं, इसलिए कि ये बड़ा ही कोई भी इंसान हो जब उसके रोज़गार को इस अंदाज़ के अंदर डिस्ट्रॉय किया जाए तो यकीनन यूँ लगता है कि जैसे ज़िंदगी उस इंसान के लिए तो ख़त्म हो गई। मगर अथॉरिटीज़ हैं कि उनका काम करने का अपना अंदाज़ है। और ये देखें कि इट इज़ सो पेनफुल, इट इज़ सो ट्रबलसम। और यहाँ पे पुलिस की भारी नफरी यहाँ पे मौजूद है और इसी तरह यहाँ पे जो अथॉरिटीज़ हैं वो पूरी फोर्स के साथ यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं। और ये यहाँ पे सिलसिला इस वक्त यहाँ पे जारी है। इट इज़ सो पेनफुल, it is so disturbing, but law has to take its own course, or it cannot be, maybe it is not something which is in the which is in the jurisdiction of the general public and the people who own these shops, who own these businesses. Lot of trouble, lot of pain for all of these people, but the authorities have their own way of acting. And it is something like you can see lot of public has gathered here, all the authorities are here, and lot of policemen are standing here to control any sort of untoward incident. And indeed it is very painful, very disturbing, very troublesome indeed. And see that all what is going on here. And this street has been, look at this street, it has been closed for the passage of the public. And see all these policemen, lot of policemen standing here, and they are ready to to provide the protection to the authorities and to the authorities who are conducting this sort of operation. And these are the shops, these are the glosses shop, the eyeglasses shop. And look whatever sort of things are going on here. And look what is being talked about here. Maybe these people, some of these people are the owners of these shops, and it is apparently not so good at all. And it is It is really bad and very bad indeed. And look at all that. Look at what these police people are doing, all that. And it is something really. Look, all these people, all these public is gathered here. One of the, look at this, all that. And this tractor which is working as a bulldozer, and this bulldozer is bulldozing all these shops. Maybe the allegation was municipal committee authorities are standing here. The allegation upon these owners of these shops is maybe that the map has not been approved by the municipal committee, by the authorities. And this is something like how disturbing, how painful and how troublesome all of that. Look, lot of people from the city have gathered here, lot of policemen are here, and all the other law enforcing agencies are here. All this operation is going on, at around 9 p.m. Approximately it is 9 p.m. And look that it is the whole of the Chakwaalian. It is a kind of embarrassment for all the people. It is a kind of embarrassment for all the people, for all the trading community, for all the traders. But look at all this, these are all the goods which were inside, the furniture and their merchandise. And look all of that. But maybe these people are the owner of the shops, and maybe these people are those who are the owners of the shops. They have been given the opportunity. They have been given the opportunity to collect the items, whatever their belongings are. They are being told that you can take away all that. Look at all these people, and look at all these people. Lot of gossip, gossip is going on. And look what speculation. Look at this machinery, and this machinery is for the purpose of bulldozing all that. And look, all these are very disturbing, very painful things indeed. And many of the people in the town have gathered here to see all that. But it's not so pleasant, it's not so palatable. Most of these people are the traders. Most of these people are the traders, and they belong to this town. They are standing here and they are doing all that. Authorities are doing all that. And look at what these people. This is the trolley, and where all the goods are being put in the trolley. All the goods are being put in the trolley, and the trolley will carry all that goods to the vicinity of the municipal committee, where although these people can go and collect it there, but the kind of pain, the kind of trouble they people are seeing, obviously they will not be able to do all that. Now see what is going to happen. Maybe they people are going to leave, and they think that maybe look how dangerous, because they are moving out of this area. Why? Because in their opinion the operation is complete, or maybe something. It is now giving the look of a demolished shop. It is giving the look of a demolished shop. And look at all that. Look at this machinery which has demolished these villages. Which has demolished all that. Which has demolished all that. So my dear friends and fellows, look at this machinery. Look at all these trolleys, and look at all that bulldozer. They people are doing all that. Look at the policemen. Lot of policemen from the city police station have come here, and maybe for the purpose of maintaining the law and order. And look at all these people. Look at what is going on here. Lot of glass from those shops is under the tires of this tractor. And look at all that. Maybe they are moving now, and now it is the work of going to be the work of. Look at all that. That machinery is going. Now the trolley of the municipal committee is going. Now the tractor which worked as a bulldozer is going back, and now maybe it is the work of this heavy machinery, and this excavator is going to be at work and what this heavy machinery will be doing all that. Look at what this tractor is doing. It is maybe a bit confused about what to do and about what not to do. But look, it is not so great as well. Look what is going on. Any sort of unfortunate accident, unfortunate happening could happen here, because maybe look at these people, look at what this man is going to do, and it is going to stand here and look. Then there is an excavator which is going to start its working, and this excavator, maybe it will be demolishing the whole of the shop and maybe the roof of the shop. Look what happens here, look what is going on here. And it is the trolley, another trolley of the municipal committee which has arrived here to collect the items, and this item will be taken away and it will be put there in the municipal committee area, where the owners of these shops can go and collect all that. But most probably they are not going to get all that, for the reason that it is so painful. Look at their livelihood, look at what those people are doing. Maybe they are the owners of the shop, and they people are all collecting whatever can be collected. The situation is in total control here. Earlier, the shopkeeper, the owners of the shop, they resisted, they protested, they took the case to the courts of Pakistan, local courts first and the High Court then. But maybe their appeal was not considered appropriate and it was rejected, and the authorities were allowed to conduct an operation, the operation of demolishing all those three illegal according to the authorities, whether the map was not approved or there is any other of situation. But these three shops are going to be demolished within the next few minutes, and this is the scenes are very, very disturbing for the owners and even for the rest of the trading community. Lot of people from the town have gathered here to witness all that. Though it is the Ramadan, despite all that, many of the people are seeing, witnessing all that, those very disturbing scenes. And that is a kind of operation which was not expected, but anything could happen, and the authorities have the right to exercise their power, and they are exercising their power. Look at all that, very, very disturbing scenes indeed. And it is very troublesome for the authorities, and very, very troublesome indeed. A lot of power, a lot of policemen, a lot of law enforcing agency personnel are gathered here. People come, the traders community come, they stand here, they witness all that, then they are obviously leaving because there is a hopelessness. And there is a little hope that the traders or the people, the legitimate owners of these shops can do anything else at all. So all of that is going on here in this town, which is very, very painful indeed, very, very disturbing indeed. And look at all that, look at all that, look at all those authority personnel, look at all that general public, look at all that machinery, look at all the kind of operation which is going on. Very, very disturbing indeed. Look at all that. Look at all that. Look at all that. Look at all these. Look at all these people. Very, very disturbing indeed. Very, very disturbing indeed. This is all what is going on here. And it is the hospital road. It is the hospital road. Hospital road of the town. And it is the 24th of Ramadan. And at the end of the day, it is approximately, these are the traders, and look at all that. Those people who are the owners of the shop, they are collecting whatever can be collected out of the shop. They are trying to save whatever can be saved. But now what is left there when all their most important, most precious property is going to be demolished? I don't know what are the allegations upon these shopkeepers, whether it is the authorities might say that the map was not approved by the authorities. So in that context, maybe they were given the time, they were given the chance to demolish it by themselves, but they were reluctant to do that. Nobody, it is not what is happening in Pakistan. Nobody does the demolishing work by themselves. Nobody does all that voluntarily. But once they didn't act voluntarily, they didn't demolish the shop, they didn't collect the items inside. So then the authorities showed their power. All the machinery, all the heavy machinery, the excavator, and a tractor with the bulldozer type blade, and they are all at work here just to demolish these three shops. I think that they should have been given the opportunity, but even if at all they are given the opportunity, but I don't think that they are going to act voluntarily at all. Nobody does this in Pakistan. And although it is very, very disturbing indeed, very, very painful indeed, but despite all that, as for the authorities are concerned, authorities, act upon their own matter, upon their own, authorities have their own way of acting. And maybe it is generally said in Pakistan that if at all you are not so influential, then the authorities will do whatever they want to do. But for those people who are quite influential, they are treated in a different manner. The people with lot of influence, the people with the power, they are treated different. But those people who are the commoners, those who are the helpless people, those who are the general public, they are, for them, the public, for them, the authorities are doing something very, very catastrophic, very, very difficult, very, very painful, and it is not so good, not so good, not so good at all. Lot of traders are gathered. क्यों जी, आप जानते हैं इस केस के बारे में? आप हॉस्पिटल रोड के ताजर हैं, आप नहीं जानते हैं. And look at what the way policemen are treating the public here. And maybe not so pleasant, not so good. It is quite disturbing, quite painful. And so whatever is going on here, these are the scenes of the hospital road of this town. So painful, so troublesome, so painful, so troublesome indeed. Look at all that, look at all that, look at all that. And this operation is going on. Lot of destruction is going on. These three shops are going to be destroyed, annihilated totally at the moment. But what will happen to these shops? Who is the genuine owner of these shops? What is the case behind all that? I don't know all that, but I believe that the people working inside those shops, these people are actually the owners of these shops, the people who were doing the business, and they are collecting, they are rescuing, they are saving whatever can be saved. And look at all that, so painful, so disturbing indeed. So painful, so disturbing indeed. And lots of public are gathered here. Most of these are the traders, are those people who are residing somewhere around in the vicinity of the bazaar, are those people who are doing the business at the hospital road. So this area is called the hospital road. This area is called the hospital road, and see what is happening here. See what is going on inside those shops. There is a glass which is going to be saved. There are the certain other items which are going to be saved here, and this is all what is going on here. So painful, so disturbing, so maybe carelessness, so much cruelness, but what can be done? Nothing can be done at all. Nothing can be done. All of that is being done on the orders of the court. The courts of Pakistan, the civil court in the district and session court, the district and session court, and then the high court, and then the high court have all of them decided that these shops are unlawful and these shops have no right to keep standing. Rather, it should be demolished, and I don't know who is the genuine owner of the land, whether it is the government of Pakistan, whether it is any other department, or it is some individuals, some private owners. I don't know who is the genuine owner of these shops, but somehow whatever is going on here, it is not so good, it is not so pleasant, it is not so palatable, and this is all what is going on here at this place. My dear friends and fellows, the families are doing the Eid shopping, but the hospital road is closed, and lot of destructive work is going on, lot of destruction is going on. So bad, so bad, so bad indeed, so bad indeed. See how much can you watch, since it is not so pleasant, not so palatable, not so civilized way of the doing things as well. But at least one thing is there, that all of that is being done on the order of the courts, the district and session court first here in this town, and then it is the high court then. And high court then, now what is going on? They are rescuing, they are taking away, and they are recollecting whatever can be recollected out of the shop. Whatever can be saved, they are trying to save it. But although it is a bit risky as well, and God forbid some sort of injury could take place, because these people are collecting the things in a non-professional, unprofessional way, and they are quite in a hurry. They are in quite an urgency, and in such an urgent situation and doing the things in a non-professional way, I think there is every risk anything bad could happen, which will be really, really bad, really bad. But all of that is going on. I don't know what is the reason, I don't know what is the genuine situation, but at least the things are, look at this tractor which has been demolishing all day. Now the excavator is waiting. The excavator is waiting, and this excavator will probably demolish the roof and the walls of the shop. क्यों जी, आप जानते हैं इसके क्या केस है जी?
भाई साहब
क्या क्या मामला है जी?
कोई पता नहीं, ऐसा हाल है, आप ही होना है, ये देख रहे हैं जी, चलता पे निजाम।
ये है, look at that. क्यों जी, क्या क्या मामला है जी, क्या केस है?
कोई समझ नहीं आ रही है सर।
क्यों जी, आप इधर ही होते हैं हॉस्पिटल रोड पे?
नहीं, हम तो छप्पन
तो ये इनके दुकानों का क्या मामला है, किसको पता है? क्यों जी, आप इधर होते हैं, आपको पता है इनके केस के बारे में पता है? कौन होता है ये? बुलाए ना इसको, बुलाए ना,
ये न्यूली वाला
बुलाए ना, बुलाए ना।
दुकानदार
चलो 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 पीछे, चलो 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 आराम ना, बड़े बच्चों की चलक आराम
ये बल्दिया वाला है, इससे मालूमात कर रहा है। ये है ना बल्दिया वाला, ये
रोके ना,
ये है ना, अब ये बना रहा है ना, ये
सर क्या हाल है, खैरियत है?
थैंक यू,
तो ये थोड़ा सा बताएं ना क्या?
साहब से बात करें, और चाचू क्या हाल है सोना होते रहते
आपका कालम जो अस्कार अखबार में पढ़ा था तो उस वक्त
मैं नहीं लिखता कालम, मैं सिर्फ
अस्कार अखबार का आपका नहीं था?
अशकार में मैं बहुत लिखता रहा
तो
हूँ।
फिर हम झूठ तो नहीं बोल
नहीं, ये पुरानी बात होगी काफ़ी।
वही है ना, तो हम भी पुराने से आपको
अशकार इस्लामाबाद में मैं लिखता था। अशकार इस्लामाबाद में मैं लिखता था जब मैं इस्लामाबाद में था।
सारा काचे तला है
ये ऐनकों के शीशे हैं जी। ये सारे शीशे, ये ऐनकों के शीशे हैं और ये ऐनके हैं और ये ऐनकों के शीशे हैं जी सारे। ये देखें, ये ऐनकों के शीशे हैं जी। ये सारे ये वही पड़े हुए सारे, ये सारे शीशे पड़े हुए। सारे शीशे
आराम से शीशी पड़े ना
ये सारे शीशे पड़े हुए हैं जी सारे, सब शीशे नजर। ये ऐनकों के शीशे हैं, पैकेटों के अंदर जोड़ी जोड़ी है। क्या केस है बताएंगे?
ये केस है जनाब
ये जगह गवर्नमेंट इनकम काफ़ी गवर्नमेंट का केस चल रहा है। ये इनकी सेटलमेंट गवर्नमेंट के साथ इन दुकानदारों ने उन्होंने कहा ये जगह नहीं हमारी। अच्छा बात समझे हमारी मतलब गवर्नमेंट को अपनी एक जगह पर नहीं, यही बात है। ये बात यही हम अपनी सरकार ने क्या है कि उसका बैठ के ना गवर्नमेंट के साथ सेटलमेंट कर लेते,
नया एग्रीमेंट कर लेते।
नहीं हम तो कहते ठीक है जी हमने इतना साल यहाँ पे काम किया, अब आप हमारे किराया तय कर,
किराया
जो पिछले को किराया है उनकी भी किस्तें बना लेते, वो निज़ाम चलता रहे। असल में गेम है गवर्नमेंट के खाते में कोई चीज़ जा नहीं रही। फिर हम भी देखें ना हम आप पहले अपनी तरफ देखें हम भी तो हम भी पहले जहाँ बैठे वहाँ पर कब्जा करते बैठे, अच्छा रोला नहीं। आओ छप्पन बाज़ार में वीडियो बनाते रहते हैं ना, मैं वहीं पर
ऐसा क्या नहीं सवाल है कि तहसीलदार साहब ने ये क्यों रिपोर्ट लिखी है कि इस्लामाबाद की जगह
ये रोला
अगर तहसील या तंसीर या किसी XYZ की जगह है तो बल्दिया चकवाल या गवर्नमेंट उसको क्यों गिरा रही है?
मैं हूँ चंदा सरापा
हाँ।
ये जी पट्टी पिछू चलती नहीं आती,
हाँ जी
ये जी पट्टी चलती आती
हाँ जी।
ये ना सारा नहीं रोला
सारे का रोला नहीं त्रय मखसूस तो क्यों टारगेट किया गया वजह
टारगेट नहीं किया
हाँ
ना हूँ जब वाले सारे काम कर
अच्छा
उन्हें काम तो दिया ना कहो कि रुक गया काम,
अच्छा
उन्हें सारा काम
अच्छा
ये जी चार चली गई आने वाले सारा सारे
यानी सारा मतलब ये है कि ये जरा सारा काम हो रहा गवर्नमेंट नहीं कर रही जगह यानी सारी
गवर्नमेंट कर ठीक नहीं है, बस ये नहीं कह रहा मगर गवर्नमेंट बस ये कहना था कि ये मालक गवर्नमेंट का मिल के ना उन्होंने किराएदारी तय कर लेते रहा मामला तय कर लेते कोई लै दे के कितना पौना महीने का जितना कोई बल्कि का किराया देते
गवर्नमेंट बगैर डायो भी तो कब्जा ले सकती है दुकानों का
जिस टाइम तक एक चीज़ गिरेगी नहीं ना
हाँ।
वो गवर्नमेंट के कब्जे में नहीं है।
अच्छा
तो दिमाग ठीक में करते हो मैं बगैर आए कल फिर आगे तो हाई कोर्ट सुप्रीम कोर्ट वो तो सारी गल का
नहीं वो तो ठीक है लेकिन जिन्हें एक चकवाल का एक ऐसा ग्रुप है उसका किराएदार तो मालका का झगड़ा भी इतना होया हाँ जी उन्होंने फिर कितना लगवाता है इसना
उन्होंने को ना उन्होंने जगह ना इन्हें जड़े विच बैठे नहीं असल जगह कोई मिल गया
अच्छा
उन्होंने तक कहना कि आप दो ग्रुप भिड़ पे है
हाँ
मेरी गल समझ गवर्नमेंट ने भी तो फायदा चुका
गवर्नमेंट ने क्या फैसला किया कि दो ही क्यों
क्योंकि तुम्हारी तो जगह ही नहीं
जगह ही नहीं
अगर 2 होते या 1 होता या 7 होते
साथ होते
सारी सूरतों में गवर्नमेंट के लिए तो कोई मसला नहीं
कोई
है।
मसला नहीं
और ये गए थे हाई कोर्ट में, मैंने सुना है।
अब हमारे पास का प्रूफ नहीं है वो कोई पेपर नहीं दे सके ना अभी तक अगर वो गए थे या
नहीं
तुम पेपर हर चीज़ है व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे आई
नहीं
हर चीज़ तुम ग्रुप पे
पेपर इनको हुकूमत एक बात है,
जी सर
सिर्फ मैं कॉमन सेंस की बात कर रहा
जी,
हूँ,
जी।
मुझे कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है।
जी जी
हुकूमत जब तक अदालत नहीं इजाज़त, अगर अदालत में केस है और अदालत का वकील भी पेश हो रहा है, तो जब तक वहाँ पे अदालत नहीं करेगी
आप ये नहीं कर
तो ये स्टेप तो नहीं लेंगे,
नहीं लेंगे
वरना तो फंस जाएंगे,
फंस जाएंगे
वरना अदालत इनको एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर को छोड़ेगी नहीं।
ऐसे ही है
ये मैं सिर्फ कॉमन सेंस की बात कर रहा हूँ, मुझे
ही।
कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है।
नहीं इन्हें कोई कागज़ वगैरह है जी कागज़
और कहें
इन्हें कोई कागज़ पत्र है
कागज़ पत्र
सर
जी सर जी सर जी सर
मुजफ्फर अब्बासी जी प्रोग्राम हमारा
तो अब्दुल खालिक दरवेश और चकवाल प्रेस क्लब। तो बात ये है, आए फिर सहाफ़ी और ताजरान मिलके एक डिस्कशन करते हैं।
जी सर
आएँ जी ज़रा,
जी जी
आएँ जी ज़रा, आप भी उधर थोड़ा सा हट के खड़े हो जाते हैं और इस पे बात करते हैं। आइएगा जनाब, राजपूत साहब आइएगा, राजपूत साहब आए ज़रा बात करते हैं। ठीक है